Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name's Matthew, and in this video we're making thumbprint cookies. I have a large bowl, and in it I have 2 cups of flour. To it I'm going to add half a teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give that a mix. For the wet ingredients, I have a cup of softened butter. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix this into the butter. I'm going to slowly beat in a 1/2 cup of sugar. Into the butter and sugar, 1 egg. And to our butter, eggs, and sugar, I'm slowly going to add our dry ingredients. I have a baking sheet that I've lined with parchment paper. I'm going to take a tablespoon and make small scoops of the dough and just make them into balls. And then with another spoon or my thumb, I'm just going to make a little print. Then I have some jam. This is cherry. Use your favorite. I'm just going to fill the hole a little bit. Of course, you don't have to just use jam. You could also use a dash of things like dulce de leche. And these are ready to bake. I'll bake these at 350 degrees for about 14 to 15 minutes until they just start getting golden brown. I have some of our thumbprint cookies. Some I filled with jam and some I filled with dulce de leche. And a few I just put a pecan on just to make it nice and tasty but still simple. Let's give one a taste. It's a simple shortbread cookie. Just buttery, just a little sweet. Ooh, I like that cherry jam too. Delicious. And there you have it. Well, that's how you make thumbprint cookies. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.